Who could dream of living anywhere more beautiful than the Red Rock area of the Sedona Winds Retirement Community, located in the heart of Sedona's village of Oak Creek, offering independent living, assisted living, and memory care. Come visit one of our beautiful dining rooms and have our executive chef create a meal you will never forget. An enriched program of activities are available throughout our community and are designed to keep our residents active and happy. Located near the Red Rock Mountains, the scenery offers peaceful and serene views not only from your apartment, but from anywhere throughout our community. Our independent living community offers several spacious studio 1- and 2-bedroom floor plans to choose